Hey there, Sissy is back. It's been a while since the last time we released our CnosDB courses, so I wonder if you guys have been revisiting the knowledge we shared before. Today, Sissy is here to bring you our final section in the Quick Start series, Downsampling. Downsampling plays a crucial role in both storage space and query performance in a time series database. Moreover, it's closely related to string queries. So make sure you're all ears for this one. Now, let's dive into the mysterious world of downsampling together through practicing. First, let's understand downsampling. In the realm of time series database, downsampling refers to reducing the frequency of time series data, turning finely grained data into coarser grained data, thereby saving on storage cost. The data resulting from downsampling retains only some statistical characteristics of the original data, which can enhance query performance as well. And what about the string queries? String queries in CnosDB are special queries for processing string data computations. They achieve downsampling by performing related aggregate operations on the original string data, offering real-time, flexible, and efficient computation. Now, let's look at an example to better understand and operate. In the Oceanic Station database, the air table has data written every 1 minute. We now want to merge the data into every 1 hour and calculate the maximum air pressure, the average temperature, the total temperature, and the count of pressure readings within a specific time window as the output. First, we create a string table air string for the air table. Here, we explain the string table. Similar to a regular table, it acts as a proxy table for a string data source. Based on a regular table we call the source table. Before performing string queries on a source table, we need to establish a corresponding string table. So here, our first step is to create a string table airstring for the air table. Second, create the target table air downsampling an hour. Since we need to store the results of our calculations, we create a target table for storing the computed data. And next, we create the string query statement. And next, we write data into the air table. Please note that the string query is triggered when data is written into the source table. Lastly, we query the target table for results. You can see that the data has now been written into the target table. By now, we've covered both downsampling and string queries. Through this example, did you all get a better understanding of this concept and how we use it? It's pretty straightforward, right? With that, we have completed our Quick Start series. So how about it? Isn't CnosDB's CRUD operation very simple to learn? I hope you all continue to practice after this course. And if you encounter any issues, feel free to submit an issue on GitHub or leave a message for CC in the community group. Finally, we welcome you to share and subscribe and like. See you next time.